Hi guys, today's recipe is potato wedges. This quick and easy side dish tastes like the one you get in restaurants. The best thing about this video is that I will also be making a garlic dipping sauce. This sauce is the hero of this recipe. You should definitely give it a try. So without any delay, let's start the recipe. For this recipe, you need 3 medium sized potatoes. I'm taking red potato, you can also take white potato. Now you have to peel them and cut them into wedges. And here it is. I have cut the potato in half-inch pieces as you can see. You can definitely make it more thick if you like to. And now I'm making a fresh pepper powder. You can also use a powdered pepper which is available in market, but I like to add fresh crushed pepper, so I will be making it. And here goes the pepper powder. And now I'm adding oregano 1 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon. Instead of salt, I'm adding garlic and pepper seasoning. This already have a salt inside it. You can add salt instead of it. And now I'm adding olive oil 2 tablespoon. And here I have taken a bulb of garlic. I'm just opening it from one side, removing the extra cover from it. Now I am opening it in such a manner that all cloves are visible. We'll keep it inside a foil, adding half tablespoon of olive oil, just applying the oil on all the sides. And now I will close the garlic bulb inside the foil. So now everything is ready for baking. I have put the potato wedges in a baking tray and have kept the garlic bulb aside. Keep the potato wedges separated from each other. And now we'll bake it for 40 minutes in a preheated oven at 425 Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, take out the tray and flip the potato wedges. Potato have become light brown from the bottom as you can see. Now it's time to flip and bake it from another side. And we'll keep the garlic bulb as it is. And after another 20 minutes, potatoes are ready as you can see. Crispy and golden brown from outside and soft from inside. Completely baked. I'm taking a little pan and opening the foil of garlic bulb. While opening the foil, you can smell the aroma of garlic. And now it's time to squeeze it. One side opening of the bulb will help the cloves to come out easily. Squeeze it completely, and if there is any peel inside it, then remove it. Now keep the paste on a medium flame gas. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of butter inside it. Once the butter completely melt, add cilantro or chopped coriander inside it. Cook it for 1 minute and then turn off the gas. Now spread this mixture on all the baked veggies and make sure to keep some for making garlic dipping sauce. And here comes the dipping recipe. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of yogurt. You can also take sour cream, adding a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of butter garlic mixture. And that's it. We'll give it a good mix. This dipping is amazing and will enhance the flavor of your recipe. And our sauce is ready. Give it a try, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.